So we go through the pros and cons of your own versus donor. We go through what we know from research, what we know from our own internal data collection, what we know anecdotally or just from general observation. So what should patients know regarding the decision and the choice now of using your own stem cells versus using someone else's or a donor stem cell? It's a very important distinction that the state of Florida, as one of the first states to allow access to donor stem cells, is positioned to address. So there's a very thorough informed consent, meaning we have to go through the specifics of the Florida stem cell law, allowing us to use donor stem cells. So we go through the pros and cons of your own versus donor. We go through what we know from research, what we know from our own internal data collection, what we know anecdotally or just from general observation, and what we don't know about use of your own versus use of a donor stem cell model, like umbilical cord or placental-derived, typically stem cells that are isolated and culture expanded, meaning they're grown in a laboratory to make more. So they're very different. I don't know that one has definitively shown to be superior than another, and we're continuing to figure out what works when, where, and why. But right now we have to go through the pros and cons in detail, understand the confines of the law, what we can and what we can't do, and then inform the patient to make the best decision he or she can make while educated regarding which one works better for your particular problem.